We've spent the last 13 years expanding and stocking a huge range of parts across loads of four-wheel drive makes and models. Patrols, Land Cruisers, winch trucks and hardcore social trucks. We've even got a few parts for the Jeeps. But we felt it was time to expand into the next thing in the DIY market. We needed a car to develop, test and demonstrate our products. So here's our new Jimny. Affectionately known around the shop as Pedro, this little guy's in for a bright future full of new parts, big tyres and whatever we can throw at it off-road. Over the next few weeks and months, we'll bring more to you as we showcase all the gear we have arriving for these great little cars, fitting, developing and putting together what we think will be a cool little off-roader to take us on some new adventures. But first we need to rewind things a bit. Well, a lot. We didn't want a brand new Jimny because we knew what we were going to do to it off-road, so we decided to scour the auction site. The auction sites can often be a goldmine of cheap vehicles if you don't mind putting some work to get them up to scratch. We scrolled through and then we spotted Pedro. It showed impact damage on all four corners and the interior, fire and smoke, but the pictures didn't really match up, so we took a punt and threw in a bid. Being our first time bidding on the salvage sites, we weren't 100% confident that we'd even won, but soon enough an invoice came through and we were the proud owners of Pedro the Jimny. In the pictures we noticed that this Jimny was already sporting some goodies, including a bullet supercharger kit, a suspension lift, bigger tyres, UHF and some other suspension gear underneath. It needed to pass a VIV inspection. There was black soot on the inside and the outside of the car. The first thing we needed to do was give it a good wash. There was a couple of small dents and they had to be repaired. We got a PDR guy in to repair the minor blemishes on the body. The VIV inspection requires you to follow a strict process. There's a small amount of paperwork that you've got to get done and then present the vehicle for an inspection. We managed to get through the process, only taking us a few months. Then it was off to Vic Roads to get Pedro a new set of number plates. Now we're here with a fresh, blank, well almost blank canvas ready for us to start work on. We'll release videos over the coming months as we put this little build together. So stay tuned as we bring you the build of Pedro.